CFMoto 450CL-C is officially launched. The price is 27,980 yuan, equipped with TCS and full-color projection screen as standard. The 450CL-C, the first cruise model unveiled at the CFMoto Beijing Auto Show, has officially announced its price today. Its price of 27,980 yuan is only 100 yuan higher than the 450CL-K street car. The CFMoto 450CL-C is CFMoto's first attempt at cruising, and is also the third model based on the twin-cylinder 450 platform. This car has chosen the most popular bobber-style exterior design. A very typical British bobber-style cruiser. The 450CL-C is also decorated with multiple metal nameplates and hand-drawn aluminum plates to enhance the texture of the details. For example, 1989 specific lettering under the cylinder radiator, side cover decoration on left and right side of the engine, fuel tank cap with mirror finish, etc. Even the seat cushions are carefully processed, and the separate leather seat cushions with waterproof function are designed to be more easily removed, and the body feels comfortable and soft. The surface of the pillow is embroidered with pinstripe retro backed by handmade nameplates and hand-stitched seams, and the elegant texture is really in place. CFMoto 450CL-C adopts all LED headlights, and plum-shaped LED turn signals, which is very tasteful. To make the rear of the car more concise, the taillights are integrated into the taillights. The design inspiration comes from the very sharp Berry Hawkeye. Underneath the bobber-style look, it's natural to pair a round instrument retro. However, the 450CL-C is equipped with a 3.6-inch circular TFT color display, which not only provides key data such as gear position, speed, fuel consumption and mileage, but also supports MotoPlay navigation projection and mobile phone interconnection. The user interface of this instrument adopts a pure pointer design with silver trim on the outer ring shell, which is retro and classic enough. In terms of the chassis, the 37mm inverted front shock has a 10mm longer stroke than the 450 model on the same platform, so ground clearance has been increased to 160mm and passability is pretty good. The rear shock has not been replaced by the two-sided form commonly used in cruise models, but has retained the mid-mounted multi-link structure. The softness and stiffness of the front and rear shock absorbers are also adjusted according to the cruiser's handling characteristics, making them more comfortable. For the brake part, the 450CL-C uses a 320mm front single disc mated to Shihu's radial 4-piston radial caliper, a 220mm rear single disc mated to a single piston caliper is equipped with a dual caliper channel ABS and TCS traction control work as standard, and its safety performance is on par with the mainstream on the same level. As standard, the car is equipped with a belt drive supplied by the world-renowned Gates brand. The wheel size of 130/90R16 at the front and 150/80R16 at the rear is compatible with the special CST tires for cruisers, providing comfort taking into account some sporting performances. As a cruising model, the seat height of the 450CL-C is only 690mm. With its saddle height, it is also close to humans, allowing small riders to experience the charm of medium displacement cruising. The curb weight of the 450CL-C is 181 kilograms. The CFMoto 450CL-C is equipped as standard with a 270° crankshaft asynchronous twin-cylinder water-cooled engine with a displacement of 449 cubic centimeters and a CFSC slip clutch. However, on the 450CL-C, in-depth adjustments and optimizations have been made according to the usage characteristics of the cruise models. Maximum power is 30 kW/8000 rpm and maximum torque is 42 Nm/6250 rpm.